Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace or service the battery for the MacBook Air years between 2012 and 2017. If you want to find out whether you need to replace the battery on your MacBook Air, you can click on the battery icon on the top right corner. It should show service battery. Then you can go also on the top left corner, click on the Apple icon, and then about this Mac you can click on system information, and then you can go into power, and you should see on the battery health, you should see how many cycles the battery has, and also you should see the battery health, and it says service battery. That's an indication you need to replace the battery. Let me show you how it's done. First, we're going to remove all the screws on the bottom of the laptop. Now we can remove the bottom cover, and that will reveal the battery, the logic board, and all the other internal components. Firstly, we're going to disconnect the old battery, like so. Then we're going to unscrew the 5 screws which keeps the battery in place. Now we can remove the old battery. Now we can place the new battery in position. We'll connect the power connector first. And then we'll screw the 5 screws back in place. Now we'll put back the laptop cover and we'll screw it all back in place. Now you can check that the battery is working. If you click on the battery icon, it should show power source battery, and it's not going to be showing service battery anymore. If you're going to about this Mac system report and power and battery, you should see the cycle should be showing 1 and the battery condition should be showing normal. If this video was helpful to you, please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.